Welcome to Teacher Bea Online.
Ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon ay tungkol sa least common multiple. Bago ang lahat, nais niyo bang malaman ang mga sagot sa mga tanong patungkol sa GCF? Ang mga sagot ay -3, 8, 1, 8a squared, and 4. The LCM is the smallest positive number that is a multiple or product of two or more numbers. We are looking for a product that is common to all the given numbers, and this time, the lowest one. Let us have an example. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. Of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2. Of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. To find the LCM, in the first set of 2's, consider that as 1. Also, in the second set of 2's, take that as 1. Then, multiply all the remaining numbers 2, 3, and 5. As we multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, the LCM is 120. Continuous division is another method. It is also known as decomposition. As shown, we will think of a number divisible by 12, 8, and 20. As to whether it is prime or composite, it does not matter. You can choose to divide the numbers by 2 or by 4, but then it is better to choose the bigger one. As we divide 12 by 4, we have 3. 8 by 4 is 2. 20 by 4 is 5. Observe that there are no divisibility numbers for 3, 2, and 5. Therefore, we are to multiply all that by 4. As we do, the result is 120. Let us check this one. In 15, 25, and 12, there is no common factor or divisor. You can choose 15 and 25 with a common divisor of 5. You can have the pair 15 and 12 with a common divisor of 3, whichever is correct. It is 15 and 25 in this case. As we divide 15 by 5, the result is 3. 25 by 5 is 5. Since 12 is not divisible by 5, copy the numeral 12. Then, let us check the second level with numbers 3, 5, and 12. 3 and 12 can be divided by 3. The results are 1, and 4, respectively. As 5 is not divisible by 3, then you just copy 5. Numerals 1, 5, and 4 have no common divisor, so we will stop there. The factors are 5, 3, 1, 5, and 4. You may not include 1, for whatever is multiplied by 1 is the number itself. As you multiply 5, 3, 5, and 4, the result is 300. It is the LCM. You may use the continuous division method in finding the GCF. Taking off the common divisor of all the numbers 15, 25, and 12, there is none. Therefore, the GCF is 1. Is that understood? Let us try this. The LCM first. All of 14, 16, and 8 are fortunately divisible by 2. As we divide 14 by 2, the result is 7. 16 by 2, the result is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Numerals 8 and 4 are divisible by 4, but not 7. So we copy 7. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. The factors 2, 4, 7, 2, and 1 equals 112. The LCM is 112. Now the GCF. The numerals 14, 16, 12 are divisible by 2. As we divide all the numbers by 2, the results are 7, 8, and 6 respectively. There is no divisibility number for 7, 8, and 6. Therefore, the GCF is 2. You see the differences? I hope you do. It's your turn. You may pause the video and try to answer. There you go. Check your answers. I hope you got it all right. Here are another 2 items. Try again. Happy solving! Check this out. How is your score? Did you get a perfect score? Alright, so that's it for now. See you next time.